Hello, my name is Sanjeev Tripathi. In this video, I will explain Java Stream API. Java Stream API process data without storing the data. Collection is a in-memory data structure and you can directly access the element. However, Java Stream, we do not directly manipulate or access the element. Stream produces the result but do not modify the data. When you're working with the stream, you do not write the iterations and loops. Rather, you are working declaratively. You are using declarative programming where you tell what is the source of this stream and what kind of computational operation you want to perform. Stream operations are composed into stream pipelines. A stream pipeline consists of source and zero or more intermediate operations, and finally there is a terminal operation. So source could be a collection, arrays, or file. Like a collection.stream gives a stream and source becomes a collection. In arrays.stream, array is the source, and in the files.lines, the content of the files becomes a stream of the strings, a stream of the lines. Then a stream can have zero or more intermediate operations, like you can filter the stream, so you can write a predicate function and you can eliminate some of the element. So for that purpose, you can use the stream.filter intermediate operations. You can map the element, you can pass some function, and based on the function it can compute the elements, and each intermediate method returns a stream. And intermediate operations are always lazy, so they can optimize. They can look at all the intermediate operations and internally they can optimize it. Intermediate operations takes function, so the streams are designed based on lambdas, and intermediate operations, they take lambda expression or method reference as an argument. Terminal operations, that's the last operation in the pipeline. Like you can perform some actions, for example stream.forEach. You can perform some action on each element of the stream, or you can get a summary result. Stream pipelines may execute either sequentially or in parallel. Collection.stream create a sequential stream, and collection.parallel stream create a parallel stream. In parallel stream, part of the elements can be processed in parallel. Reduction operations produce single summary result. Reduce use accumulation function and perform the reduction. Collect operation use collectors and produce a single summary result. Reduction operations are terminal operations. Now I will explain Java Stream API's theory using code. Here is Java code. Here I defined a list of customers, and this is a Java Stream pipeline. A customer is a source of stream. Filter is intermediary operation, and forEach is the terminal operation. Filter takes a function, it takes a predicate, and it creates a stream of the matching values. So wherever the get limit is greater than 15, it adds that element in the stream. So filter produces a stream, and forEach work on that stream. forEach again takes a lambda function, lambda expression, and it performs the action. It's really take the each element and print it out. In this stream pipeline, I'm using parallel stream, so element will be processed in parallel. Here filter predicate is get line greater than 2500. It will only match for James and Chris, and that would be printed out using forEach terminal operation. This is another stream pipeline. I'm also using parallel stream. predicate same as above, red line is greater than 2500, but terminal operation is reduction operation here. So single result will be printed out here. So you can see here filter operation is returning stream of 3, and that's why forEach is printing 3 customers. In this case is returning 2 customer and forEach printing out 2 customers. And finally reduction operation is giving number of customer, that is 2. Let's move on another example. Here I have created a array of integers. Source of this stream is integer array. Here I am using skip operation. It discard the first 2 element. So these 2 elements will be discarded. 1 and 3 will be discarded here because we are skipping 2 elements. Then I am using map operation. Map operation takes a function, lambda function, and execute on each element. This map function will be executed on this 5, 7, 9. It's actually calculating cube, and then it's returning a stream. Sorted intermediate method, sort the element in natural order. Find first, return the optional object. If the first element is present, then it will hold the value of first element, otherwise it have empty optional object. If present will be executed if it is holding first element. Let's run this code. Third element is the first element because 2 element has been skipped, and cube of the third element is 125. That's what being printed here. Let's move to the another example. Here I'm using stream.off to create the stream of doubles, and it's representing salary of the employee. Here in this pipeline there is no intermediary operation. I'm using directly final operation, that's a reduce operation, and purpose of this reduce operation is to find out the total salary that has been given to the all employee. So here is the identity 0.0, and here is the accumulation function. It start with the 0.0 and keep adding the next element, and finally we get the total salary paid, and I'm printing total salary. Let's execute this code. This is a total salary that being paid. Here we are using reduce method to calculate the total salary. Let's move to the collector example. Here I have a list of strings, and this is a reduction method. Reduction method takes a collector as an argument. Here the collector is joining collector. It concatenate the string, and this collector takes a string parameter delimiter. So here delimiter is empty string, and that means this code will concatenate all the letters right here, welcome letter, and make it a word, and that should be printed here. Here is another example. Here this is a list of books: Paradise Lost, Paradise Regained, Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, and here I'm first applying filter. So predicate actually is that book name should start with the P. This filter will return the stream of 2 books, and here collector will collect all the element in the list. Let's run this code. Here is the output of joining collector, and this is the output of creating array list collector. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching.